See here what will happen if you are going to write 3 or 4 exams. See here what is going to happen if you go on practicing the past papers. I already informed you that whenever the examiner gives maximize shareholders wealth, always look at the ROC. Here I am looking at September-December paper. September-December 17 ACCA paper. CEO. The company's objective is to maximize shareholders' wealth, and the company uses return on capital employed as its main financial performance indicator. This frequently repeats in ACCA examination. CEO. I am taking another question. Hybrid June 15 P5. This is also stating something about ROCE, and the answer here says that the use of expected value is appropriate. In general, ROCE is neither considered as an accurate nor direct a measure of shareholders' wealth. This is very important. This is something that repeats itself. Okay? Examination answer. It's currently using ROCE, but it does not correlate directly with the objective to maximize shareholders' wealth. So whenever you are seeing something new in the question paper and in the examiner's answer, please write it somewhere. So this is something which frequently repeats. I already informed you something about the customer satisfaction needs to be measured by customer surveys. So if you practice previous papers, somewhere it will appear. So don't think that I created something on my own. This is something I learned by practicing the previous papers. In the same way, whenever you see some monopoly or capital intensive industry, always look at the ROCE measure and always see it will always satisfy the customers, because the return on capital employed over a period of time will go on increase or will be stable, but its denominator will go on reducing. I will give you one link. This is something, a very recent article in Economist pertaining to British Airways, and try to see how you can apply the present case with this particular thing. Here British Airways is also a capital intensive industry. It is also using return on capital employed. So automatically what is happening to the present case we have discussed is happening with the British Airways. I am not telling you anything about the examiner comments or marking scheme, which you can look at in your answer. And please look at the link. Hope you got something from this video. Thank you.